The stage lights were blinding. Applause filled the auditorium, a dull roar to my ears. I had poured my heart and soul into this performance, believing it would be my big break. The rejection felt like a physical blow. Dreams, once so bright, now lay shattered at my feet. Despair became my constant companion. The world seemed to shrink, each day an unbearable weight. Doubts swirled in my mind, whispering that I wasn't good enough, talented enough. Failure clung to me like a shroud. One day, amidst the darkness, a glimmer appeared. A friend, sensing my despair, offered a listening ear and a gentle reminder. Sometimes you have to fall apart to truly find yourself. Her words, though simple, resonated deep within me. I realized I couldn't outrun my pain. I had to confront it.
GoLogin, the best browser for multi-accounting. Go and check link in the description.
I had to confront it, so I began to write, pouring all my hurt, confusion and self-doubt onto the page. It was a raw and messy process, but it was also incredibly liberating. Section 5, the power of vulnerability. Sharing my story with others felt terrifying, yet strangely empowering. As I opened up, I discovered I wasn't alone in my struggles. Vulnerability, once my greatest fear, became a source of strength and connection. Section 6. Rebuilding, brick by brick. With newfound clarity, I began to piece my life back together. I enrolled in a writing workshop, reconnected with my passion for storytelling. Each small step, though challenging, filled me with a sense of purpose. Section 7. Rising from the ashes. There were setbacks, moments of self-doubt, but I learned to embrace imperfection. I discovered that true strength lies not in avoiding failure, but in rising above it. My journey wasn't about erasing the past, but about transforming it into something meaningful. Section 8. Discovering inner strength. Through the process of healing, I unearthed reservoirs of strength I never knew I possessed. I learned to trust my intuition, to embrace my authentic self. The experience, though painful, had been a crucible, forging within me a resilience I never thought possible. Section 9. A tapestry of scars and wisdom. Looking back, I wouldn't trade my journey for anything. The scars I carry are a testament to my resilience, a reminder that even in the darkest of times, hope can bloom. My experiences, once a source of shame, now hold a profound beauty, woven into the tapestry of my life. Section 10. The beauty of rock bottom. Rock bottom, once a place I feared, became the solid ground upon which I rebuilt my life. It was in the depths of despair that I discovered the true measure of my strength, the unwavering spirit that resides within us all. The beauty of rock bottom lies not in the fall, but in the courageous act of rising, stronger and wiser than before.